Hello and welcome. In today's video, we will learn how to play Take On Me. For the verse, you will need chords A minor, D, G, and C. I'm doing the strumming pattern down, chaka, up, chaka. Once per chord. But if you haven't mastered the chuck yet, that's okay. You can do down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So let's try and play through the verse. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Talking away. I don't know what to say, I'll say it anyway. D, C, I'm shying away. Here it's different. We switch from a G to an E minor. And then that leads us into the chorus. So there's just that one change, but it's a good change because it'll help us know when we're going to go to a new section in the song. So again, let's try and play through that verse now that you have everything you need to know. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Go into the chorus. The chords here are a little different. We need G, D, E minor, C. Now the strumming pattern here needs a little bit more energy because it's the chorus. So we're doing down, up, chuck up, down, up, chuck up, down, up, chuck up, down, up, chuck up. The first two lines are the same. Third line, we need something a little different, so it's going to sound like this. And that simply is down, up, chuck up, down, up, down, up, down, up, chuck up, down, up. Again, if you haven't mastered the chuck, then you can do these patterns without the chuck, or you can even do a slap of the ukulele. So let's do a playthrough of the chorus. Remember, the third time is a little different. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Second time. Here it's different. Yeah. Go back to the pattern. Let's play the chorus again. This time I'm not going to stop or warn you. We're just going to play through it. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Have fun with it. Throughout this song, you have a combination of verses and choruses, so you have everything you need to know to play this song. Now, just for fun, let's play through a verse and a chorus without stopping. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go, down, up, down. Yeah, A minor, D, G, C, A minor, D, E minor. Back to a verse, and that's it. You have everything you need to know to play this song. If you enjoyed today's lesson but would like to join a live lesson, I teach every week on Patreon. We go on Zoom, we turn on our cameras, and I teach things that I don't teach here on YouTube just because it's so different to be able to see you all playing and trying everything that I'm teaching. And the great thing is that we have players from all over the world turn on their cameras and give me feedback, give things that work for them. It's just a really fun community, and I would love you to be a part of it. So join us on Patreon. Thank you, Jonathan, for editing today's audio. Jonathan is a part of my band, and we released an album. So if you want something instrumental and relaxing to listen to while you clean or while you're having dinner or anything like that, check out our album on Spotify, Apple Music, or YouTube Music. I'll add the link down below. Thank you so much for watching, and please like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!